Open Site Master, site server software for serialization management. What's needed to implement serialization? Which components and departments are involved? At the plant level, people and systems from the packaging lines, the administration, the IT department, the warehouse, and in the palletizing room if you have one. First, there is the ERP system, which contains the product's master data and lot information. Then, at the corporate level, there's a central serial number provider and an EPCIS repository to log the serialization history. The corporate server then needs to report the serialization information to the government agency of the country where the products are being shipped. So what's missing? A powerful software solution at the plant level, able to connect all these components together. Introducing Open Site Master, a new kind of site server that connects the corporate layer, the ERP, the people, and the equipment from the packaging lines up to the warehouse. Here's how it works. OSM captures the process orders to confirm, ahead of time, if there are enough serial numbers. If not, it automatically reaches out to the corporate server. Meanwhile, the batch status is pending. This means that the plant becomes autonomous from corporate, as the serial numbers are stored locally, at the plant, well before the lot starts. When there are enough serial numbers, the batch status becomes ready. Once on the packaging line, the batch status indicates packaging. OSM allows you to manage different batch statuses during the batch lifecycle. When a pallet is completed, the serial numbers of the items inside the pallet, along with their history, are transferred to OSM. When the last pallet is completed, the batch status changes to quarantine. Quality assurance approves the batch and it becomes released. In this example, the release status means that the serialization data has been sent to the corporate server, more specifically to the EPCIS repository. That was an example of a batch process in a best-case scenario. But of course, sometimes things don't go as planned, and a completed batch may need to be reworked. The capability of reworking a serialized batch from OSM to a packaging line is a standard feature. The rework can take place on any packaging line. Once the changes are made, they are communicated back to OSM. Typical users accessing OSM's web interface would be the administrators, who have access to security levels, administration tools, as well as master data. The tool is designed to be as open as possible. Next, the production manager, who can check the status of all the lots currently running in the system on each line and at what stage they're at. Then, the packaging line engineer can use OSM to view serial number reports, performance reports, statistics, and more. And if you are already using an Optel Vision Line Master, all your current Line Master reports can be automatically transferred to OSM. Then, the quality assurance team approves their batches. And of course, if you already covered this aspect in your ERP, it could be the ERP that indicates to OSM that the batch has been approved. To recap, Open Site Master's main features include adaptable and modular architecture, central configuration and monitoring, configurable batch flows, state-of-the-art serial number management, GS1 compliant serialization data handling, and finally, the ability for CMOs to connect to several customers and get serial numbers as well as generate reports. Open Site Master, Serialization Empowerment.